This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, April the 11th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening. Storm system over the western part of the country with some rain and mountain snow and some thunderstorms over the Oklahoma and Texas panhandle with some severe weather that will be in that neck of the woods over the next several days. The watch warning map from midnight last night. Red flag warnings in Colorado, down into Arizona, New Mexico. The Sierra has some winter weather issues, but the freeze and frost advisories across a large portion of the Midwest. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock shows some rainfall amounts across the state from 1 to 2 inches. The heaviest down in Oklahoma and along the Sierra Nevada, where most of that will be in the form of some snow. Let's take a look at these wonderful weather conditions with the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, a trough over the west, a trough over the east, a ridge in the middle, and right here, high pressure. The cold air will be starting to depart after another cold night this morning. Showers and storms to our southwest and well off to our west. Thursday, a low over Montana with a trailing cold front down into Texas and Oklahoma. Some showers and isolated thunderstorms moving into the state, especially western Iowa Thursday afternoon and evening, and across the entire state here for Friday. Severe weather is doubtful, most likely further to the south and west with this system, but as you can see, digging into California, the next system that moves down into the Four Corners area on Saturday. We still have the remnants of the first system with some showers and thunderstorms scattered about at about 20 to 30% coverage. Sunday now looks to be a bit drier as we start to get a little bit of dry air from the high pressure to our north, but the next system is going to be coming in late Sunday night, and especially here Monday as we have the trough really digging in, energy across the plains. This ridge over Florida looks to strengthen, and that's what's really slowing the system down and pushing it to Monday, with the low pressure at this point over about Salina, Kansas. Showers, thunderstorms, likely severe weather will be to our south and west. Could see some as close as northern Missouri possibly. Tuesday, with this slow pattern, the storm is still going to be around with more rain. Showers, maybe an isolated storm, although most of that will be to the east and southeast. And even a week from today, we're still going to be talking about this system with the energy over the Great Lakes, with the trough axis extending north to Hudson and James Bay. And with that, could see some wraparound and some cold air coming down, so we could have some rain. It'll be a fairly cold rain. There could be some grapple or soft hail, but nothing else. A few days later, on the 22nd, a zonal flow across the country, and when you have a zonal flow across the country, you have fast-moving storm systems, and in this case, we'll have one forecasted to be in our neck of the woods at that time, with some rain, and temperatures look to stay about average with the zonal flow coming from the Pacific. But that zonal flow don't last long. By the 24th, a few days later, as now we have a wavy pattern, a trough over the west, a trough over the east, a ridge right over us, and when there's a trough to our west, there's a storm to our west. And when there's a storm to our west, there's Gulf moisture coming in from the south, and we could have some showers and thunderstorms again if this is right. And even by the end of the forecast on the 26th, this is a few days later, the same storm is still here. So this high pressure just off the Carolina coast is keeping this system here and keeping rainfall. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Thursday.